Old part 3. Getting, yeah, pretty much the same place as the update. We're just getting the bog sorted out, grinding and whatnot. But yeah, I'll wade on the grinder. Couple ugly bits getting cleaned out. Second thing, just packing the bog out of the last repair from whoever did it beforehand. Pulling this little clip out at the moment. It's got the little slather on there. Young slather. After wire wheels. Drill. It's already got the drill, not that drill. Drill. Wedge prime those bits of rust before moving on to high build primer, and then the car get blocked back, and any further little dents will get bogged then. Tools of trade. Big tapping missions.
We're going to go 309 road, but
these bits still need to sort out. There are stuff in for now. They all weld some bits of metal in there because I don't have a donor car to hack the piece from. The hard one?
Oh, cuddle feel.
I'll grab you one. Hang on.
Just because it...
Wade says to people that I'm his boss, but I'm retrieving things like I'm his bitch. A few goods. Yeah, big wheel's a bit ugly and unco for a smaller one. Does nice little scratchy. Yeah, it already looks very clean.
Now you flip this and I'll go around there, and you know, you can make a patch and then cut that hucky bit out.
Yeah, bro.
Make 2 patches, one for like.
Probably just cut up one of those doors.
Patch even, that's pretty alright.
Yeah, bro. Just cut up one of those doors I got around back.
Oh yeah.
Coming along quite nicely. Cut the big ugly rusty chunk out. Don't have any argon, but the spots seem to be going on alright. So we did a bit of that, but yeah. Quite happy with how she's coming along. This is well outside of my skill set, so pretty cool. Man, I wasn't expecting perfection, but this is looking pretty hectic, like even following the factory body lines and stuff. Nissan metal and a Honda. Bit of my 350Z door. Old door from the Z. Cut a strip that had that line in it. And just run out of welding wire, annoyingly. But yeah, no, that's sick. Oh, standing on bits of rugged metal and bare feet, that's safe as. Yeah, this is a bit, I got cut out of there, so. But nicer, eh? Bit nicer. New tractor seat arrived. Pretty happy with it. It's pretty plush. Nice and plush feeling. Haven't bolted on yet, but looks good. Looks tidy. Also very happy with that. Very happy all round today. Smashing the concrete. Slaving away. These concrete guys decided they're going to pour a big fucking puddle in my driveway, so we're going to chip it away with the hammer. Yeah, go away. What a chant. Fuck yeah. Be able to drive cars up here in no time. All of this drive's going to have probably cobblestones.
There's some thinners in the gun.
Oh yeah. Get it while it's still cheesy.
Yeah.
Make it a bit easier to get it back to the height that's going to be workable.
You don't want to go too far with this. So you can go with your 80 or whatever next.
So that's just
This takes the shape of it, really. Eh?
Yeah, you get your basic
Brush
shit.
it. And it's easy to shape it while it's still fucking. You don't really want to scratch any of that with it.
Not with 40 grit.
And then you sort of want to work out how much, like you don't want to go too far with this. Still want to allow room for your 80 and your 120.
Right, because the deepest scratch that you've got there is how far you're going to have to go down with the other grits. Sick.
I wouldn't usually use a DA, but because I blocked it first, it's taking the shape already. See that? It'll just keep sanding.
So you just keep
So I'm
following the
staying
same
even.
shape.
I'm just
Yeah.
using this so it's a bit faster, but I'll use a block again now.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of videos, people warning against the perils of using a DA, especially if you're inexperienced. Like.
Yeah.
But if you know what you're up to. Seen all the main paint jobs I see though, with people that are experienced, they use a DA.
No, I'm just using it to speed it up, so I don't have to sand it all now, like, but it's still straight.
Yeah, bro.
Like, now I can just keep, like, some 150 on the block again, and then hit it with the block again. But the DA will get rid of your blocking marks as well.
And then by the time there's all the high build primer and it's being blocked down again and then prime it again, it's like, yeah.
So I just need some not so coarse shit now.
Fuck, I can't wait to see it yellow.
What we got?
It's going to be sick. Ooh, the tractor. Tractor's been put on hold briefly just to get this thing in the shed, but hopefully this thing's not going to take so long. Like, tractor was obviously a bit big of a mission. I'm also trying to get my quad going. It's looking real amazing just sitting there like that, but I don't know. Wiring gremlins, replaced the CDI, followed all the wiring everywhere, replaced fuses and stuff, like played with the voltage regulator. Coil doesn't seem to be getting any power. All the ignition switches being pulled apart and hardwired and it's still not starting, so I think frustrates me. Truck's looking good though, truck's looking good.
There's no room here.
No wavy dents now. All those little ugly dents.
Grind them back before it's fully hung.
Yeah. Can't remember where all the rest of the dents were. I'm pretty sure there was a couple here somewhere that I remember circling, so we'll just have to wait until we put the guide code on after we put the primer on.
The same paper, bro. Recycle it. Still grumpy.
The 40 grit.
Yeah, with this little block.
I'm still just slowly peeling all this.
Just before it's fucking Like now's good.
Oh, yeah, I'm sort of peeling this shit tape off. I didn't peel off the other day because I was lazy, and now I'm regretting it. Real fun.
I should take this up so I don't scratch it, but
This is all getting resprayed anyway, but yeah,
yes.
probably better not to have 40 grit on it. I wanted to buy new ones.
So makes the job easier if you just hit it in the right time. Like how hard is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fucking smooth ease.
Sick, mate.
I can see people stand there fucking bogs for hours and fucking, you know, like.
Just get it while it's a bit cheesy.
That's just that. Like that.
I like it.
That gives it its shape.
And then you just...
And then we go down to the 80 grit or the 120. What's this?
40.
60, 40.
Aggressive.
There's 36 and there's 40. I don't know what the...
Oh no, they've got a difference of 4. Man, that's fucking sick. Sick. It was a big moment for me. Car's finally in the shed. Wade and I got it in last night. We were hoping to get it primed last night, but life gets in the way, so should be primed today sometime. Yeah, no, I'm wrapped to have it in here. We'd moved the tractor for the first time since it's been getting painted. Oh yeah, that's my main. And rearrange all the vehicles. And she came. So yeah, still peeling shitty bits of tape off. We started with the sunroof. Gonna re-skin it. Actually went down and cleaned young Maxie's bonnet off his smashed up car down at Egan's Park. Gonna cut the metal out of that and weld it into this one. Because I have not tracked down a sunroof yet, annoyingly, and it just won't do. And here's pretty good though. Doesn't look like much shit, rust or anything got in there. And oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, tractor looking mean. Freshy seat bolted on there. Got to use the seat yesterday and actually drive it, and it was so much better. Although that would still be annoying if I needed to drive it right now. There's water on it. I wish there was just like a little drain. I guess if it was leaning forward slightly, it'd drain. But yeah, no, I'm wrapped with that. Oh, I was meant to disconnect that last night. Oh, I did disconnect it. The other side. Been giving the Hino a bit of a tidy up as well, just touching up all the black paint where it was just rusty as, like those bars just there, and rims still need a paint. I gave all the cab a good wash and stuff, but needs a cut and polish. Just going to paint these as well so they don't look ugly. Polish the bumper so it comes up all mirror shiny. Interior needs a clean. Just painted all the sides, painted all of this. This is all just ugly as rust colour. You still see a little bit there that I missed. And still needs another couple of coats in a few places. Just did it with a brush, come up all good, pretty happy with it. And then Sophie and I went and got all these pavers the other day. And we're going to start doing like the driveway. We're just going to do 2 tracks up the drive, and then same with the other driveway that goes up to the top of the farm around the corner, 2 tracks. And then the house side will probably end up pavers as well. Oh yeah, there's a bonnet down there. But yeah, everything's going nicely. Oh, flex on my bank's starting to grow. Right, got to plant more plants down here before my bank vanishes. Not keen on that. Alright, I think that'll be all for part 3. Parts it'll be all for part 3, and then part 4 the car should be primed or getting primed. And yeah, hopefully part 6 will probably all just be like blocking it down and stuff with guide coat and more bog, and then part 7 should be paint. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and ultimately if you're not thinking about it at this point and if you've made it through the video this far, cheers for actually watching the whole video. And if you could like, comment or subscribe and feed the algorithm, that'd be great. Thank you. Goodbye.